Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can enable the call waiting in your device Galaxy M13. So if in this device, if you want to enable the feature of the call waiting, or if you want to use the feature of call waiting in your device Galaxy M13, you can easily do it just by following a few steps as I will show you in this video. So before we move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now just follow the steps and watch the complete video and you will learn all about the call waiting in your device and how you can enable it. Let's watch the video.